My trip to the south and upcountry on April 14th, I left for the south with my family around 3:30 p.m. We arrived in Cattaraugus at about 9:30 p.m. and stayed at my dad's bank bungalow. The next morning, we went on a safari to Ritagama and saw elephants, deer, and buffaloes. After lunch, we visited the Matala Rajapaksa International (MRI) Airport. We were lucky enough to go up to the control room and see the entire area from there. The following day, we went to the Hambantota Seaport and saw imported cars parked there. We also had the chance to visit the fisheries harbor. In the afternoon, we went to Yala National Park and saw elephants, wild boar, buffaloes, deer, crocodiles, leopards, hares, and peacocks living freely in the jungle. On the fourth day, we enjoyed ourselves at Arugam Bay Beach. From there, we drove to the Happytail Hills and stayed in a hotel. In the morning, we went to Horton Plains and hiked to see the Mini World's End. On our last day, we began our journey back to Colombo. On the way, we visited the historic Adisham bungalow and reached home in the evening. That I thoroughly enjoyed the trip.